Hey, I found somewhere I can listen to music. They got their own music. Kind of wild. So, I don't know. We'll see how that works tonight. Over here on Twitch. I already made a practice video. I forgot to get dressed. Oh God. Okay, so let me see if I can. Yeah, I can even watch. I'll even make it play again. Watch. Yeah, I can do it. So we're gonna have a live over here tonight. I'm tired of fucking with YouTube. YouTube can suck my fucking asshole. I will leave links over here in my bar or whatever. All right, we'll see you later.